Alright, it's March 11th, 2018. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. And we have a bunch of apple trees we want to get in. There's a couple here. Got one right here I'm working on cleaning out an area for it. And this is just right behind the berm. It's really nice sunny area and it gets lots of water too. But I was cleaning up some rocks and you can see there's stumps and stuff that I had to get cleaned up. And I came across this. Look at that. That would be an arrow that Mr. Kapper lost during bow practice. Look at that. It's in one of the power line poles. I'm not sure if he was aiming for that little medallion that's on all the posts, or if he was aiming for the grounding wire that I can see clipped there, or even the main wire. So maybe he was trying to aim for it and shot a little bit low. Too funny. Now, it would have been really funny if I went all the way through the post, but it didn't.
Okay, it's raining, and I'm out throwing a quick overseed on all the clover plots. Keep them in good shape. Once you get them established, just little maintenance like this will increase your tonnage, fivefold. So 5-10 minutes each and that's it, and you're out of there. Alright, I got my new Bluetooth going. I did not want to come out here and plant. It is cold, it is windy and raining. But I feel way better now. It didn't take very long. I just feel crappy from yesterday sitting on that little tiny shooting bench with the Savage. But I got 4 plots overseeded with clover and chicory mix, thanks to Curtis's mix. And I feel better now. It's raining, drizzling. Perfect timing. If you take care of the plots that you have, you're going to get paid back way more in the future instead of doing the bare minimum. So stay tuned. You'll see deer in this as we do all year. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next round.
Okay, so I just had to add this extra video on the end here. This morning I was out planting apple trees and watching the birds, and Mr. Kapper was out there. And look at this. We are in a little mini blizzard.